Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life, Scrapbooking and Card Making. This is Sandy for Spellbinders, and today I'm sharing a Traveler's Notebook Inserts tutorial using the Booklet Binding Edge Die Set by Paul Antonio. The booklets measure 4 by 6, so they're perfect for a small traveler's notebook. The Spellbinders Paul Antonio Booklet Binding Die Set includes 2 spines, a large label insert, and a small label. For a traveler's notebook insert, we'll be using the spines and the large label dies. 1 piece of neutral color cardstock, 5 designer sheets for the inside of our booklet, and 2 sheets for the front and back cover. We're also going to use needle and thread, some washi, double-sided tape, and of course our die cutting machine. And these are the measurements that we're going to use to make our traveler's notebook insert. We trimmed the neutral color cardstock to 6 by 8, center it on our mat, and apply the larger of the 2 spines right in the middle. Then use washi tape to hold down your die. And the furry helper that you see there is my kitten Swiper. She's just supervising my work. After trimming our inside sheets to 5 3/4 by 7 3/4, we center them on our mat and use the smaller of the 2 spines on them. And depending on your die cutting machine, you may be able to cut all 5 sheets in one shot. I use the Spellbinders Platinum, so cutting this small stack is not a problem. Your spine dies will also contain score marks, so you'll be able to follow along as you fold your papers. And now we're ready for some sewing. So to put this booklet together, I start in the middle from inside the book, leaving a tail of thread inside. Then I push the needle into an end hole from the outside to the inside. From inside, I push the needle out through the 3rd hole, and then I complete the stitch by pulling the needle back through the middle stitch from the outside of the book to the inside. Then I tie a knot to secure the binding. Next, I'm ready to add the designer papers to the covers, and as you can see, I decided to round off the edges to my traveler's notebook. And now that my papers are in place, I'm ready to add the frame embellishment on the front. And that's pretty much it, friends. You'll find my supply list in the area underneath this video and also in my blog. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy paper crafting!